Students, now discuss about contraceptive methods. Already you learned about some amount of the contraceptive methods such as natural methods, barrier methods and intrauterine devices. Student, in this class some amount of the contraceptive methods are here which prevents the conception, which prevents the pregnancy. First one is fourth one, this is oral contraceptive pills. Oral contraceptive pills. Student, these are the using of the oral contraceptive pills is the most popular method used by the females. Next, oral administration. Oral administration by the administration through the mouth into the body. Oral administration. Small doses of progestogen. It is important, student. Progestogen and or progestogen estrogen combinations. Which one is the composition of the pills? This contains progestogen or progestogen estrogen combinations in form of the pills or tablets. Student, these are the pills or the tablets inhibits ovulation. Release of the ova from the mature follicle is called ovulation. And implantation. Implantation means blastocyst stage of the embryo attaches to the endometrium of the uterus wall in the female reproductive system, that is called implantation. Next, alter quality of cervical mucus. Cervical mucus on the surface of the cervix, that is increases, and at the same after some time that is decreases. Alters the level of the mucous membrane on the cervix. Okay, that is helpful for receiving of the sperms and retard entry of the sperms. That inhibits the receiving of the sperms which are present in the semen. Okay, these are all the process are inhibited by the using of the oral contraceptive pills. Student, these are the 21 tablets. These are the pills are available in single packet. Each packet that contains 21 tablets. These are the pills have to be taken daily once from the beginning of the within first 5 days of the menstrual cycle. Okay. Next, a once a week pill by name Saheli. Saheli, the tablet name is Saheli. Only once in 1 week. In each week, one tablet, administration of one tablet is enough. Okay, this is the tablet name is Saheli, developed by CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow, present in Lucknow. It is the tablet is a non-steroidal tablet and less side effects. Okay, and prevents the conception or pregnancy. Next, contraceptive injections. Fifth one, another one of the contraceptive method, that is contraceptive injections, drug releasing implants, vaginal rings, skin patches. Okay, these are all the methods contains progestogen or combination with the estrogen. Okay, some amount of the methods consist of progestogen and also some are available by the combination with the progestogen and estrogen. Progestogen, estrogen also available. Okay, These are all the methods used by females First one, what about the contraceptive injections? Contraceptive injection, that is the injection, composition of the injection, that is dipode medroxyprogesterone acetate, also called DMPA, dipode medroxyprogesterone acetate. Okay, student, provides protection against pregnancy for 3 months. This is the injection, give protection from the pregnancy up to the 3 months. Okay, one injection prevents the pregnancy up to the 3 months. Next, implants. Another implants, drug releasing implants. Implants, student, these are the single rod like structures, okay, matchstick like structure. Implant under the skin. These are the implants or implant under the skin with a special applicator, okay, by the help of the trainees, nurse or doctors. Okay, implant under the skin with the help of this special applicator prevents the pregnancy for 3 years. Okay, and vaginal rings, ring-like structures inserted into the vagina of the females. Vaginal ring, flexible plastic ring, okay, insert into the vagina. These are the vaginal ring that constitute estrogen progesterone levels. These are vaginal rings, release estrogen and progesterone and prevents the conception. Okay, student. Next, skin patches. What about the skin patches? Skin patches loaded with the contraceptive hormones. Okay, student. These are the skin patches are loaded with the contraceptive hormones wearing on the skin and releases into bloodstreams. The hormones present in the skin patches releases the hormones into the blood circulation and prevents the conception, prevents pregnancy. Next, another student, sixth method, that is surgical methods. Which are the surgical methods? Sterilization. What is the meaning of this sterilization? Sterilization, that means surgical procedure prevents the pregnancy. These are the surgical procedures which prevents the pregnancy or the conception. These are called sterilization. 2 types of the surgical methods, sterilizing methods are available. These are, first one is vasectomy, next second one is tubectomy. What about vasectomy? In this vasectomy, small part of the vas deferens, it is the tube-like arrangement. Okay, vas deferens, tube-like arrangement present in the male reproductive system. Vas deferens, small part of the vas deferens on either sides, both of the sides, is removed or tied up through the small incision or cutting on the scrotum. Okay, and at the same time, by the vasectomy, by the cutting of the vas deferens on either sides, there is no transport or passing of the sperms into the seminal vesicles, and ejaculated semen from the male one during coitus, okay, that does not consist of any amount of the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa is absent in the semen. Okay, this is about the vasectomy. Next, tubectomy. What is about the tubectomy? Small part of the fallopian tube on both the sides is removed or tied up through a small incision, okay, made in abdomen or through the vagina. Student, in this tubectomy, fallopian tube, already you know about that. This is the tube-like arrangement of the female reproductive system. Small part of the fallopian tube is cut or tied up on either sides. Okay, and by the help of the small incision made on the abdomen, and it is also possible through the vagina of the females. Okay, this inhibits the entry of the ova into the fallopian tube. By this way, it leads to prevention of the conception and the pregnancy. It is about the tubectomy. Vasectomy, tubectomy are the surgical methods, also called sterilization. Okay, these are the some amount of the contraceptive methods. This fourth one is oral contraceptive pills. Contain combination of progestogen or progestogen estrogen combinations. Oral contraceptive injections, drug releasing implants, vaginal rings, skin patches. These are another type of the contraceptive methods. And goes to the surgical methods. Surgical methods are two types: vasectomy and next one is tubectomy.